Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for homemade berry Pop Tarts. Let's get started.
We start out with our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 2/3 cup or 185 grams of butter, half a teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons sugar, about 1/4 cup or 55 milliliters of water, which I forgot to get beforehand, mixed berry jam, 1 egg white, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar, purple food coloring, which is optional, sprinkles, which is also optional. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, and salt. Cut in butter until mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Pour in water a little at a time. Knead briefly to get the dough to stick together. Roll out on a floured surface. Use a square or rectangular cutter to cut out as many squares as possible. Remove excess dough. Place squares onto a lined baking sheet. Spoon a teaspoon of jam into the center of the squares. Place a second square of dough on top of the first one. Pinch edges together. Poke the top of the dough with a fork. My 8-year-old helped me with this part. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Remove from oven and allow to cool completely. While the pastries are baking, beat together egg white and powdered sugar, adding a bit of food coloring. Spoon or pipe the royal icing onto the pastries. Sprinkle with sprinkles. Allow the frosting to set up. These homemade Pop Tarts taste so much better than the store-bought ones. They are soft and sweet. A great idea for the kids, or just for me. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.